You wanna dance with me? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing an updated review on these under eye masks that I got from Amazon, and I'll be letting you know. I'll make sure I leave the link in the description box below. But if you haven't already, before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, all right? So let's get started. I already kept them in the freezer for 15 minutes, or if you want to put them in the fridge for, I think it's 45 minutes to an hour, okay? So this is Viva La Beauty. These are the two perfect patches. This is the Tumeric, the Golden Eye Recovery Mask, okay? So I've been using these for about, what? I started in November. Was it November? Yeah, started in November. So do the math. But it's May. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my mask on. This is my morning routine. I do this 3 times a week. Okay. So you want to put, and my eyes always get a little dry around there from taking off my makeup, from using my system, my Curology, so. Hey. What you doing? And then we're going. I don't want to go.
Okay, I'm done. I'm hungry.
Oh yeah, baby.
I'm just hungry.
So you leave that on for 15 minutes and then you take them off. So I'm going to leave it on for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so that was 15 minutes. Let's check. All right, so it feels really good under there. As you can see, it's a little bit brighter. Maybe you need to take a closer look if you can't see it. But that's the end of this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. And don't forget that I'll leave the link in the description below for these patches from Tumeric. I think that's how you say it correctly. But thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.